Driving license. A driving license is a legal authorization or the official document confirming such as authorization for a special individual to operate one or more type of motorized vehicles such as motorcycle, cars, truck and buses on a public road. Such licenses are often plastic and the size of a credit card. In most international agreements, the word driving permit is used for instance in the Vienna Convention on Road Traffic. In this article, country special section, the local spelling variant is used. Most American judiciary issue a permit with driving license printed on it, but some use driving license which is conventional American English. User both driving license as well as a driving license. The Australian and New Zealand English equivalent is a driving license. In British English and in many former British colonies, it is a driving license. The law related to the license of drive vary between judiciary. In some judiciary, a permit is issued after the receipt has been a driving test, while in other a person their permit began to drive a different category before beginning to drive different category of permit often exist for different type of motor vehicle, particular large truck and passenger vehicle. The difficulty of the driving test varies convenes between judiciary as a factory such as age and the required level of competent patience. Mandatory license of driving in the United Kingdom came into force on 1 January 1904 after Motor Car Act 1903 received royal assent. Even car owner had to register their vehicle with the local government authorize and be able to provide registration of their vehicle on request. The minimum qualifying age was set at 17. The driving license gave it holder freedom of the road with a maximum 20 mph 30 km per hour speed limit. Compulsory testing was introduced in 1934 with the passing of the road traffic. Then a kingdom within the Germany Empire introducing compulsory license in 29 September 1903. A test of mechanical accumulator had to the passed to the was changed with conducting their test in 1910. The German imperial government mandated the license of driving on a national scale. Thank you.